Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Okay, for that click on Play Store. After that type there dark mode. You can see the first option. Click there and just install it. After installing, just open that and just scroll there and you can see this app. Click there. Again I want to show you this dark mode and enable that car mode. And you can see there car mode and the screen will be black in color, and just go and don't close that app and check Instagram. Open. You can see this Instagram is in black color and the original version white. Just click that app and just turn off the car mode and just check out Instagram. You can see it will be in the white color, that is original. Okay, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.